Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I'm Muhammad Shahid and today I'm going to talk about the pa sentence structure. Pa. It is the most complicated and confused sentence structure in Chinese language, but let me tell you that Chinese native speakers make a lot of sentences using the pa particle, okay? So also I have attached a movie clip, a drama clip with this video lesson. You are going to practice this sentence structure by reading, by writing, by pronouncing. So let's just not waste our time and proceed towards learning the past sentence structure. चीनी ज़बान में एक लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल होता है जिसको हम पा कहते हैं और इसकी एक मखसूस साख्त है। ये हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं चीनी ज़बान में बहुत ज़्यादा। चीनी जो वहाँ के रहने वाले हैं, जो पैदाइशी चीनी ज़बान बोलते हैं, वो लोग इसको बहुत ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल करते हैं। तो इसके साथ मैंने एक ड्रामा का जो एक क्लिप है वो अटैच किया हुआ है और इससे पहले भी मैंने उसी क्लिप के ऊपर एक वीडियो बनाई थी जिसमें हमने बात की थी कि कैसे बोले कि तुम बहरे हो। तो अभी उसका दूसरा पार्ट है और हम इसमें सीखेंगे पा सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर। सो अभी हम आगे चलते हैं। ओके, नाउ दिस इज़ द सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ pa. It is in front of you. It will have a subject and then it will have pa, then it will have object, then it will have verb, and then it will have other elements. Okay, so this, remember this sentence structure. This is the pa sentence structure. Okay, proceeding towards the sentence from the clip. Okay, and then I'll show you the full form, that how can we write this in this structural form. Okay, so this is the sentence structure in front of you, and the woman who is addressing to the waitress of the restaurant and asking in a bossy style from the waitress to clean her shoes, to wipe her shoes. So she says like, 把这个给我擦了，把这个给我擦了। ये एक चीनी क्लिप है मूवी का या ड्रामे का। तो उसमें जो औरत है वो दूसरी खातून से कहती है कि मेरी ये जूते साफ़ कर लो ये जूते मेरे लिए। तो वो एक हाकिमाना अंदाज़ में उसे कहती है। जो वेट्रेस होती है, जो वहाँ पे काम करती है, उससे कहती है। अपने जूते पर ये केचप डालती है ख़ुद और उसी से कहती है कि इसको साफ़ कर लो। सो इफ़ यू सी, वी हैव read the sentence structure. That was subject, then pa, then here it was an object, and then a verb, and then other elements. But here if you see, this sentence is not following that sentence structure. So it actually means, this sentence actually means wipe this for me, and she's pointing towards her shoes. वो अपनी जूतों की तरफ इशारा करती है कि इनको साफ़ कर लो मेरे लिए, या इसको साफ़ कर लो मेरे लिए, और clean these shoes for me. So it has these meanings, but I'm just going to show you other full forms of this sentence which will follow that sentence structure which I showed you before. So let's just proceed. ये जूते साफ़ कर लो मेरे लिए, या मेरे लिए साफ़ कर लो। तो पा does not have any concrete meaning in this sentence structure. इसके कोई ख़ास मायने नहीं है, इसको हम सिर्फ जुमले बनाने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं। इसके और मानी ज़रूर है, लेकिन इस सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर में, इस मखसूस जुमले की साख में इसकी कोई ज़्यादा जो है वो मीनिंग नहीं है। जग के वसाला, जग is this, indicating towards this. Gewa here means to do it for me. Okay, to stress or to show the strength of her order, like do it for me. Okay, ta means to polish, to clean, to wipe. La is not having, probably does not have any proper meaning over here in this sentence, or its native way of using la in this sentence. Okay, ये ल जो है यहाँ पर इस्तेमाल किया गया है, लेकिन इसके ख़ास कोई मानी नहीं है इस जुमले में. Now proceeding towards the other forms of the sentence, I'll show you. You see here, you can also say 你把这个蟹给我擦了。你把这个蟹给我擦了。你把这个蟹给我擦了。So it has also the same meaning, but here if you see, I have added the ni as a subject, then pa, and then 这个蟹 for a pair of shoes. But it also has the same meaning, that wipe these shoes for me. Wipe these shoes for me. It has this meaning. Okay. Now going ahead, I'm going to tell you another sentence. So ni means you, pa is included in this sentence structure, so it does not have any concrete meaning. 这个鞋给我擦了。这个鞋 these shoes 给我 for me 擦了 polish it, clean it, wipe it. Okay. Now if you see this sentence, 你把这双鞋给我擦了。你把这双鞋给我擦了。Wipe these shoes for me, wipe this pair of shoes for me, clean it up, or clean up these shoes for me. So it has the same meaning. This shuang is a quantifier which is used for two similar things. Okay, pair of things which are similar. ऐसी चीज़ों के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है ये श्वांग, जो कि शक्ल में एक जैसी दिखाई देती हो, जो कि मुमासलत रखते हो या जो एक जैसे हो. तो दो चीज़ों के लिए जो एक जैसे हो उसके लिए इस्तेमाल होता है, जोड़े के लिए. ठीक है. 你把这双鞋给我擦了。你把这双鞋给我擦了。 Okay, so I have shown this sentence in different forms for you from the movie clip, and now I'm going to include another sentence from the HSK-3 book. So it is on page 116, and it says 你把水果拿过来。你把水果拿过来。 Bring the fruits here. 你 means you, 把 is used in this sentence structure, and I have told you that it does not have a concrete meaning. Okay, it is just an indicator to connect the subject and object and the verb, and then the other elements. So 你把水果 means fruits. 拿 means bring. 过来 here. So bring the fruits here. This is a sentence. Now I have also written these sentences. You can watch that also. Okay, so I'm going to write this sentence for you. I'm going to write each and every character in front of you. Okay, and I'll try to write the meaning of these characters too. So first of all, I'm going to write the first character. We already know this character. It means you, ni, tum. It doesn't have any specific meaning in this sentence. It is just making the sentence structure. Okay, we make sentences using pa. Okay, now I'm going to write 这双 means this pair. Shuang is a major word, is a quantifier for those things which are similar. Shuang एक ऐसा लफ्ज़ है जिसको हम चीनी ज़बान में इस्तेमाल करते हैं, और इसको मुख्तलिफ़ जोड़ों में बनी हुई चीज़ों के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं, या मतलब जो चीज़ें जो है वो सिमिलर हो या एक जैसी हो, तो उनके लिए हम श्वांग का लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल करते हैं. सो वी नो दैट शूज़ come in pairs. So we are going to use shuang for pair of shoes. So this pair of shoes. Okay. So now I'm going to write the word so this means xie means shoes. Okay. And ge wa tsala, give it. Ge actually means uh, to give something to someone, but here it just means make it clean for me. Okay, make these shoes clean for me. So wa, we already know this one. Wa. Here ge wo for me. Okay, so here it does not mean I, it means me. The other word sa, this word wait a minute. Okay, I hope you are enjoying this video. It has different meaning. Tsa, so it means to clean, to polish, to wipe. Okay, and this word is le. 你把这双鞋给我擦了. Okay, so we are going towards the other sentence from the book, and we're going to learn that too. Okay, so I'm going to write this sentence for you. It is also the sentence with the sentence structure pa sentence structure, okay, in Chinese language, and it is taken from HSK-3 book. So HSK-3 book is made for a Chinese proficiency test, and they take examinations from foreigners to check how proficient they are in speaking, in writing, in reading Chinese language. So ये एक किताब है जिस में इम्तिहान लिया जाता है बाहर के मुल्कों के लोगों से चीनी ज़ुबान में कि वो कितना चीनी ज़ुबान को अच्छी तरीके से जानते हैं. तो ये एक सेंटेंस है उस बुक में, और अगर आप चेक करना चाहते हैं तो ये पेज नंबर 116 पर ये सेंटेंस है. ये एक लेसन है, लेसन नंबर 14. तो वहाँ से ये लिया गया है. Now I'm going to write these characters one by one. So the first character is, I have written it so many times, perhaps you would have understand this. Ni tum. Pa. So it has no concrete meaning, just an indicator, just an indicator. ये सिर्फ इशारा कर रहा है. No concrete meaning. Okay, just we make sentences with the past structure. Okay, and shui guo, probably you would have okay, shui guo. So how we are going to write it? This is how we are going to write it. Shui guo, fruit. So fruit. Okay, pal. or na means to bring. Lana. Last one is guolai. Guolai here. Yaha. Yaha or lana. So you have seen that how we wrote these words, these characters, and this is how we have completed this lecture. I hope that this lecture would have given you some fruitful information about Chinese language and the structure of pa. Okay, so native speakers use these sentence structures a lot, and also it is important for the exams in Chinese language. Okay, so you have learned two things. Now we are going to watch the clip once again. It is the same clip which I have played in a previous video, in which I have told you about a sentence, Ni long lama, are you deaf?
把这个给我擦了。我让你擦了，你聋了吗？